Are you looking to buy a home this spring? If so, keep in mind the housing market can still be very competitive, especially this spring coming up. Here's my advice. First of all, lean on a real estate professional who understands our market. That's why I'm here to be your expert guy. Second, you've got to know your budget. The best way to do this is to work with a reputable lender to get you approved for a loan. And third, think through everything before making an offer. Today's market isn't as fast as it was during the pandemic or thereafter, which means you might have a little bit more time. Finally, I'll help you through the negotiations. You shouldn't skip the home inspections, and you might be able to ask for some concessions from the seller. I can help you through which levers to pull to have the best possible outcome. Buying a home can be a challenging endeavor in today's market, but strong support can make a difference. If you have any questions and you want an expert on your side, let's connect. Feel free to call me, text me, or email me. I'll be more than happy to put you in the right direction. If you like this content, feel free to share it, subscribe,